Have a wonderful day, dear students. In previous chapters, you have studied about the tenses in present tense. Present tense, what we are using in the habitual action, okay, and what we are talking about the present time. Similarly, the past events are described as in a past tense, okay. Whenever something happened previously or before some day or some time, so you use the past tense. Simple past tense means you can describe your past event with the help of this tense, okay. Similarly, as a simple present tense, here in past tense also the sentence are used as a positive, negative, interrogative and passive, okay, in passive also. So we use the V2, base form is right, to write, okay. So V2, past form is WROTE, wrote. Dear students, you all most experienced with all these V1, V2 and V3. In V1 means you will have to use the base form, right, to write, and past form WROTE, wrote. In past participle, there you will have to write written, okay. So this way you will have to do all the things. Here I will introduce the past tense today, okay. In past tense I have taken one verb WRITE, right. For that WROTE, wrote. He wrote a letter means he had written a letter in past time. He wrote a letter yesterday, he wrote a letter last night, whatever, okay. Dear friends, how you are doing the negative and interrogative? In simple present tense, there you use the do and does. Similarly, here you will have to use the did as a helping verb to make it negative or interrogative. While you are using the does, you should remove the S or ES after the verb. Like this way, you must turn the past verb into the base form with the did, while you are using it in negative or interrogative, okay. He wrote a letter. He did not write a letter. See, you did not write a letter, that you will have to write. You must write this way. Did he write a letter? Like this way, clear? A letter was written by him. It is a passive form that you know about the subject and object change the places that we will study in our chapter voice in very detail. Now dear friends, this is the formation of the present tense, past tense, negative and interrogative, simple past tense. Now similarly, present continuous tense, here past continuous tense is also there, that he was writing a letter. He was not writing letter. Was he So students, here you can see in present continuous tense you are using the is, am, are as a helping verb with the ing form of the verb. So here you are using the was and were, okay. So he was writing a letter, he was not writing a letter, was he writing a letter, and a letter was being written by him in these four manners of the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense shows the past continuous action. So this tense also required some support of the simple past tense. Now here I will introduce about the past perfect tense. In this tense also you will have to take the had as a helping verb. Have has a had. Have has you are using in perfect present perfect tense. Here you are using had in past perfect tense. So he had written a letter. He had not written a letter. Had he written a letter? Letter had been written by him. So this way you can do the past perfect tense. You can use in past perfect tense we have to use had as a helping verb. Then V3 will not be changed in the passive voice with been. Okay, so he had not written a letter. Had he written a letter? And a letter had been written by him. This forming the positive, negative, interrogative and passive. You will have to turn the past perfect tense in this way. Then past perfect continuous, what we are not using most probably. He had been writing a letter. This tense will not use most probably. We are in our regular teaching learning process. He had not means it turns as a negative, and had he, it will turn in a interrogative. Dear students, you may understand about how to make the different tense sentences in positive, negative, interrogative and passive. Okay. Now in coming chapter I will introduce about the future tense. These are the little introduction about the tenses. You might have studied all these things in the 7th standard in very detail about the tenses. You go through all that materials also, and also you will have to solve whatever blanks I have sent you for the present tense. I have also sent you the answers of the fill in the blanks. Now by after this video I will send also the answers of the present tense, fill in the blanks, and some more blanks for the past tense. In that tense also you are having some blanks connected with the simple present tense to present past, simple past tense to past continuous tense, simple past tense to past perfect tense. This way you will have to go through the tenses. Okay, this is the introduction of the past tense. So later I will give you the introduction about future tense. Thank you. Have a nice day.